Many companies still utilize the status quo and continue to print and store paper. eDocument solutions can help you transition your business to a paperless environment. We provide dynamic solutions that utilize electronic data and allow for automation of back-office functions. Our extensive experience and network of partners can provide end-to-end customized solutions with a very short lead time. eDocument solutions can save you thousands, even millions of dollars. The key is to think systematically and strategically. The average organization spends a significant amount of money on what may appear to be a simple document. In other words, on an annual basis, non-electronic data management solutions are expensive. Paper and printing cost companies roughly $10,000 per year per employee. There are easy-to-use solutions. eDocument Solutions has assembled a best-in-breed portfolio of technologies which can get you started in a matter of days. No need for a large IT team or a long project. We utilize material and information flow mapping techniques perfected by Toyota to see where the workflow adds value and where there is waste. Armed with this information, we can help you build a cost-effective future state in a matter of days. We follow a simple 5-step process. We define the problem, map out the current process flow, define a to-be process flow, and then customize templates to create a rapid solution. We stay there to help you manage the go-live, implementation, and training of your employees. Document process efficiency refers to how a company manages the documents and data through the entire document lifecycle. The key to optimizing this flow efficiency is to first understand how information, images, paper, electronic files actually come into and flow through your organization. Our process mapping consultant services allow clients to reallocate precious resources to value-added activities and automate others. Digital document management is not a luxury. It's an imperative for companies of all sizes. Optimizing comes down to 9 fundamental tasks shown here on an organization-wide basis. Inefficiency results when any of these tasks are performed poorly, repeated, or done out of sequence. All of them are important, and as compliance and regulatory requirements increase, they must occur in a defined process. It pays to begin with the end in mind. eDocument Solutions always creates centralized electronic information assets that are platform independent and perform to your needs of what you're going to do in the end with the data. That means your data will never come to a dead end or be held hostage. It will always be available to any department authorized for access. How do we do this? We introduced eNtellidoc, which brings a new paradigm that will transform the existing advanced capture world. It is a browser-based system that converts ordinary documents into metadata, which can be loaded into databases. This allows you to use automated rules-based processing to reduce labor and errors, and integrates documents into a data flow up front in a process. Utilizing eNtellidoc, you have the capability to accept input from emails, faxes, paper scanning, or even hot folders. eNtellidoc, which provides significant automation in the document ingestion process by automatically sorting, classifying, and extracting data from the documents, really expedites processing. In the past, barcodes were used to identify forms. Today, eNtellidoc can recognize the form and go to specific fields and extract data for processing. Even ordinary documents, such as this reimbursement agreement, can be scanned, interpreted, and key data extracted for processing. eNtellidoc is also designed to capture data and aid in the data entry. How do we do this? Well, in addition to eNtellidoc, eDocument Solutions can automate the workflow of the data that's captured with eNtellidoc with eDocrity, our cloud-based business process automation software. eDocrity is a framework for creating actionable data and automated processes that can be used to create compliance of process or output of data. eDocrity can either be a hosted SaaS model or an on-premise cloud model. The eDocrity component can receive images and metadata generated from eNtellidoc, populate the workflow that is accessible to all approved personnel and partners. It's password protected in order to provide secure data capture, and then process the data. eDocrity is built with a Microsoft .NET Foundation, SQL Server, and standard Internet technologies. Our SaaS model is hosted by a SAS 70 certified hosting company. We also provide a HIPAA compliant solution by providing data backup, including a disaster recovery plan, audit trails, abnormal activity alarms, and electronic communication security. Access to either eNtellidoc or eDocrity is limited to secure role-based access, which is critical for regulatory compliance. We have created solutions which have measured savings in mortgage and loan processing, medical claims processing, medical records retention, human resource file processing, educational records management, recall processing in the automotive industry, and distribution order picking processing. We can also create a custom solution for you. eDocument Solutions has selected a best-in-breed partners for technology and services to provide complete end-to-end document management solutions. These are Crowe Horwath for compliance and risk management consulting and certification, Crown for storage and retrieval of paper documents, as well as facilities for scanning, shredding, and electronic storage, Develop for linking documents in SharePoint to business enterprise systems such as SAP or Oracle, Kodak for state-of-the-art scan and capture, Kofax for capture software, Lattices for data center co-location, Nuance for voice recognition and for eCopy interface for multifunction printers, ProStore for data backup systems, and Webuplex for the DocuPeek inside our eDocrity portal. eDocument Solutions is a center of excellence for document process efficiency. We keep things simple and are known for being responsive, reliable, and focused on quality at any volume. We provide real benefits. We reduce costs with automation and improved workflow. We automate compliance. We can bring disparate business system data together into one easily accessible location. We reduce risk with role-based access for security, and we're a green business that promotes green business practices. That means we can help you substantially reduce your carbon footprint and even turn so-called waste into profit. Do you know your document process efficiency? eDocument Solutions is uniquely equipped to calculate your firm's document processing costs and show you the critical areas where profits are leaking away. As you can see, others have seen substantial benefit. Since this analysis is complementary, why not learn what an efficient document process can do for you today? Just click on the ROI on the navigation bar to get started.